just saw a...
Just get the car.
Just get the car.
No matter what condition it is, just get it.
No matter...
And fix it up again.
Car was so good.
Yeah, dude, the car is crazy.
No, the one that I saw was so good. Like the condition was so good. Hey guys, so today we are here with my friend Sarah. He has this crazy 316i, which you would never think it's a 316i if I didn't tell you. But basically modded everything, right? Is there anything original on this car?
The engine.
Is any part in the engine original on this car?
Yeah, the main block.
The main block of the engine is stock, and then the rest is just... We're gonna review this car, see all the mods, what he's done to it, and later he's gonna take me on a drive, and then we're gonna see how it drives. You got the coilovers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Coilovers. And full bar.
Okay. So bro, what's going on here?
So this is an NBT Evo which I got it from half cut from another 330e.
Okay.
This screen itself is actually an Android screen, so if you were to touch it, it switches to the Android.
Okay. So you told me you've done coilovers in this car, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So these are the Teen Street Advance Z.
Okay.
So which are not to say so hard on the ride, but it's still better than normal absorbers if you need to do an emergency avoidance, right?
Okay.
So your car just follows you wherever you want to go. It doesn't matter how fast your car could go, but if your car can't handle how fast you want to go, it just doesn't make sense.
Okay.
So, and
That's
you're talking
true.
about Malaysian roads, right? If you need the handling, you don't actually need the speed.
That's true.
It depends again on how you want your ride to feel, right?
Yeah.
I have front bars and anti-roll bars.
Okay.
Now, so it actually holds the car more.
I've been wanting to do suspension on my car for a long time.
Okay.
For a long time. This guy knows,
Okay.
and this guy is the first guy that tells me not to every time. Okay?
Okay.
This guy. My best friend here. I don't feel like this is uncomfortable.
This is, I think it's pretty common, the M3AN Bodykit. Those lips, I just got it like a couple of weeks ago, and those are all vinyl wraps. Apart from that, the hexagon lights, that's the gloss back wheels, and the M3 bonnet. So that's pretty much the front.
Okay.
And that's the F30 to M4 conversion side mirrors.
So what are those rims? They look...
Oh, okay. So this is Vertini Flow Forged rims.
Is that a Toyota Supra?
Oh yes. Hey, it's a Supra.
Supra, bro. Please, let's just move the video.
Yeah.
Good eye, bro.
Okay, this is GTS tail lights.
Okay.
So
Smoked out.
Yeah, smoked out.
Okay.
The original one comes with even the tail light signals, with the dragon scale.
Yeah.
Oh, that is sick. So for me, is I don't like carbon. You want to know why I don't like carbon? This is carbon fiber, and you see how it's rattling.
Okay.
So I need to get this tightened back. This is what happens with carbon fiber. It just doesn't get the impact, right? So when you're going on like really uneven roads and rocky roads, when you get impact, right, it's carbon fiber. Either it breaks or it dislodges itself.
What have you done to the engine? This does not look like the 316 engine. This is the furthest thing from it. Man, what have you done?
When I got this car, it was really cheap. So I know what I was buying into. I didn't want to pay monthly installment, which is really high, right? Yeah. So instead what I did, I kept aside some money to recondition the engine. So in a way, I would know what I'm actually changing, and I could go for performance parts rather than just back to stock. The engine unit is reconditioned. Okay. Everything serviced back, valve seals changed, flywheel seals, everything. Whatever you think you could leak from this car, it's all plugged in. New radiators, new radiator hose, everything is just reconditioned and changed. And on top of that, new air intakes, charge pipes, boost pipes from FTP. Then there is a GFB diverter valve, which actually helps to hold your boost when you're. So all these changes are to just hold your boost. So you don't want plastic when it's remapped to stage 2 boot mod. So when it's running on stage 2, your boost is about 21 psi.
How many horsepowers are you making now?
According to Bootmod's own website, right, they mentioned 106% gain. So if you do the math, 106% from 136 comes up to about 272 horse. So if you were to take away at least 13% to 15% on wheel, it's about 250, 260
So
on
around
wheels.
250 or 260 to the wheel.
Yep.
Oh, this is the turbo, right?
Yeah, this is the turbo. So for 316 is nice because the turbo is right on top.
Okay.
So it cools down faster as well.
Okay.
So you don't need to worry
Yeah,
about.
I've never seen turbos just right on top.
Yeah, so.
Man, I think just cut a hole here and just do your exhaust from here.
Oh damn! Yeah, that would be blinding. Yeah.
I don't dare to say better than M car.
Oh, definitely not better than an M car.
But this is as close as you can get a 3 Series to an M car. It's not about how fast you go.
Yeah, it's about whether you can handle it.
It's about whether you can handle it.